Presenting the Volkswagen 2014 Beetle 2.0T R line. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and four-wheel independent suspension. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.